Hi, my name is Jocelyn Lisbethh and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you all how I do one of my favorite go-to hairstyles, which is this little sleek ponytail that I do using a drawstring ponytail. I will also show you guys how I lay my baby hair. So if you're interested in more videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And without further ado, let's get into this video. So I am currently starting out with day 3 hair. Right now my hair is pretty frizzy. My curls aren't really popping how I like them to pop out, but in all honesty, for this hairstyle I don't really need my curls to be as defined as they normally are. So what I like to do first is I like to go ahead and use my bottle spray slightly with my hair, not all the way but just enough to dampen the top area. Y'all, I said dampen the hair, yet I'm over here like dripping, but whatever. Now that my hair is wet, I like to go in with my diamond brush and put my hair into a very tight ponytail. Well, a very tight bun. A ponytail and then a tight bun. So then I like to go in with my bristle brush and put a little bit of the Cantu leave-in conditioning cream to flatten out my hair and take away all the little flyaways I got going on. Alright, so now that I got my little bun going on, I like to take my drawstring ponytail and brush it out. This is actually a synthetic ponytail. I got off wig types. Honestly, I got this ponytail about a year ago, so I'm not really sure what the price was, but I do remember it was very cheap. So this ponytail, it comes with a clip at the top, a clip at the bottom, and it also comes with the drawstring, which helps to tighten out the ponytail, which is basically what we're going for. We don't need our ponytail falling out. So what I like to do first is I use my top clip and I put it over my bun. Then I go ahead and use the bottom clip and put it under my bun. So now our ponytail is still not secure. We have to go in and get the drawstring and tighten it as tight as we can. Alright, so now that we have tightened our drawstring, I like to go ahead and get a piece of the hair. And as I do this, I like to grab the drawstring, which is in the back, in order to tighten the ponytail. And also so that our ponytail can look, you know, real and people don't think we frontin'. And I go ahead and bobby pin it. Okay, so now that our ponytail is secured, we're still not done. We gotta get my baby hairs laid. So what I like to do is I like to use my Shea Moisture Edge treatment, and I use a toothbrush, dip it in, and take out my baby hairs. As I do this, I like to put my finger on my baby hair so that way it can hold it as I do my little swoosh. And then I just do it for the rest of my baby hairs. Okay, so that is it for my ponytail. I hope you guys enjoyed this hairstyle because in all honesty, this is my favorite hairstyle to go to. It is quick, it is easy, and honestly, y'all, let me tell y'all, I be feeling myself. Like, I don't know, when I have this ponytail on, it's a different kind of self-love. I love myself, but with this, I love myself. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead, subscribe, like, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. So let's subscribe.